This video outlines steps to maintain the cleaning rollers for the XID 8300. We suggest doing this step at the end of each business day. Remove the cleaning rollers as shown here. This entire cartridge can be washed. Gently scrub the blue rollers with warm water. Notice how we turn the rollers and then scrub down the length of the rollers with the thumb here. This removes all the dust from the rollers. It allows it to gather more dust, preventing it from getting to the rest of the machine. So work your way around both rollers as shown here, turning them slightly and then scrubbing down the length of them until you've covered the entire side of both rollers. Then go ahead and shake the rollers to get the excess water off of them, which will help them dry much quicker. Notice how we roll the rollers with our thumb before shaking again to get any water trapped in between them. And that's it. Now set them down, allow them to dry fully before putting them back into the machine.